Regulated.
Complicated.
Old school.
Introverted.
Closed.
It's how many would describe the insurance industry, and that's why we exist. I'm Simon Ball, the CEO and co-founder of Quotall, a business that's looking to disrupt the world of insurance distribution. There's a digital revolution that's happening in the UK insurance sector, and it will change the way insurance is bought forever.
Only 5% of the UK's £51 billion general insurance premium is sold via retailers, utilities or affinity groups. Why is that, Simon?
Well, firstly, legacy insurance platforms. They weren't designed for digital distribution, and the cost and complexity of changing them has led to massive inertia.
Almost a third of all retail sales are online, but 75% of insurance brokers have absolutely no customer self-serve facilities at all. For consumers, the industry offers a dismal digital experience.
Secondly, insurance is a highly regulated, opaque market. For a potential new market entrant, it's virtually impenetrable and almost impossible to access lucrative insurance margins while also delivering a great customer experience.
Quotall offers a simple solution to these issues. We provide businesses with all the tools to establish a comparative quote, buy and self-service insurance proposition for their customers. We've built a complete insurance ecosystem with a SaaS platform at its core.
Clients can take our out-of-the-box solution for rapid deployment in a matter of weeks, or they can fully integrate the platform with our API services for a completely tailored solution.
We help the insurance industry build the products on our platform and set up regulatory and fulfillment partnerships, whilst also collaborating with our clients to drive insurance sales.
Our goal is for every household and business in the UK to arrange their insurance through our ecosystem without even knowing it. We have an experienced, world-class team on hand to help any business launch a successful insurance service and the tech to make it happen.
Our clients can take advantage of the latest in insurtech to develop new revenue lines and gain a competitive edge.
For our clients, that means no development cost, minimal risk, and rapid deployment.
We make our money from commission share and transaction fees on every policy sold via our platform, as well as licensing, development, support, and consultancy services.
We target enterprise clients that yield an annual run rate of £500,000 for the business, and our contract terms are for between 3 and 5 years.
Because we're a SaaS business, we believe we'll be able to scale massively over the next 5 years. Once trading, we believe there will be very little churn, and we're aiming for a minimum 90% client renewal rate. And because our model is driven by policy renewal, we see the potential to grow exponentially.
We believe Quotall's proposition is revolutionary. From our cloud-based digital distribution platform through to our focus on working directly with demand-side brands. Our clients are leading the disruption of the insurance sector, and we are facilitating it for them.
Launching our service for more clients requires resources, and we need extra capital to do this. We've built an incredible platform, a fantastic network of partners, and a great customer base. Join us, invest in our unique business as it goes through a period of phenomenal growth.